So first of all, you'll want to open up your dishwasher, and the filter will always be at the bottom here. Okay, and what you're doing with the filter is that you've got two filters. You'll have one that's inside like a cup, so you'll probably turn this just a quarter of a turn anti-clockwise, and then pull that out. Okay, now be careful that no food falls back into that hole, because that's past the filter. Put that into the sink. Okay, and then you'll have a second filter, which is usually a grill that you'll lift away. Okay, again, try and make sure you don't put anything into the hole. Put that back in the sink. Then what you're doing is you're going in here and just checking that there's no food and bits in here, because that's the pump past there. Okay, so what you're doing is you're trying to clean out as much as you can from that area, if there's anything at the bottom. So you can see that bit of sweet corn there. I'll take that away because that's past the filter. And then there's I can see bits of green here that are past there. Okay, so what's happening is, because the water's going in here, and sometimes it recirculates it. So if the filter's really gunged up and dirty, sometimes what can happen is the water getting back into the system can be dirty as well. So you want to be cleaning out this filter. That's the first bit. Okay, and in order to do that, all you're doing, well, if you take the grate first of all, so you can see the sweet corn, I'll get rid of that. We'll turn it the other way. You'll probably find there's a lot of gunk here. Don't use any fairy liquid or anything like that, because if that gets in the dishwasher, that can soak up. And then this filter here, you'll see that there's a fine mesh. So see how there's quite a bit of dirt in there? Okay. So just use cold running water under the tap, not high pressure, not anything too. Okay. Again, get rid of the sweet corn. And in this design, you've got two systems. You've got the one that goes in the other. So what you do is you pop that out there. This is the inner part. So you might find that this is absolutely gummed up with food if you haven't looked at it for a while. Okay. Again, make sure all the bits and pieces, all the bits of food or any bits of debris in there are out. So that's much better. That will do the job. And then to put it back in, it's just the opposite way. So make sure that's out the way. There you go. That goes there. Okay. Put the two bits back together again. Okay. And then put that in here. Okay. That should be a good start to clean the filter. And that is how you clean the filter.